Hello, we're going to do the reorder list link LC Leetcode problem. So here our task is to basically you have a linked list like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have to reverse the second part and then put 1, 4, and then 2, 3, right? So we're going to do this in basically the first step would be find middle, and then the reverse the second half, reverse the second half, and um, then then rearrange now basically. I hate my keyboard. All right, so find the middle. So let's do that. So list node slow. We need a slow list node. List node. We need a fast. And now while fast not equal to null and fast dot next not equal to null. I'm gonna move slow ahead by 1 position and fast by 2 positions. Okay, and now we have a slow. Okay, now what we're gonna do is reverse the node starting with slow. Reverse, and whatever we get will be the head of second half or head 2. And let's assume that we got that, and then yeah, so we first have head and head 2, right? So now we're gonna do a head 1. Wait, yeah, head 1 is equal to head. So we found the middle, we got the reverse, we have to rearrange the nodes now. Okay, so while, let's do the interesting part where head 1 not equal to null and head 2 not equal to null. What we're gonna do, we're gonna first store the next pointer for head 1. And we're gonna get head 1 dot next is equal to head 2, and then we're gonna restore head 1 to be next. Then now we just did this part. So far what we did is 1 to 4 we did. Now let's do a part where 4 connects back to 2 in the example here. Okay, so for that what we're going to do is first again use in next. Yeah, we can reuse that, I think. Next, use that next to just store the next node. Okay, and then head 2 dot next will be head 1, correct? Because currently head 1 is pointing at 2. Head 1 is pointing at 2, and then put your head 2 back at next, and that way keep on rotating. And now if you come out of this, so what's going to happen is, you're going to have your head 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and your head 2 is just 4 and 3, right? So your head 2 is going to run out of the nodes. In that case, the head 1 is not equal to null. In that case, when it comes out, the head 1 will have node. So what we're going to do is head 1 dot next equal to null. And then we also need to return the original head, right? So let's return the original head. Remember, we also have to reverse the list, so let's do that. Reverse. As you can see, the reverse rows node is, yeah, so that's our node. Reverse, create a previous. It's a while node not equal to null. I'm gonna do node not next is equal to prev, and prev equal to node again. I need to save my next so that I can go on to it again. Restore your next and then eventually return to previous. All right, so we're trying to reverse. So we'll be reversing our node over here. Is that right? Yep. We get our head 2. So let's do a dry run. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna so we are at 1. Okay, we are at 1 right now, and then slow is at 1, fast is at 1. Now we go through this one iteration. After the one iteration, slow is at 2, fast is at 3. Second iteration, slow is at 3, fast is null because fast moved like 3 to 4 and 4 to next is null. So at this point, our slow is at pointing at 3, 4. Now we're going to reverse 3, 4. So it's a 3, 3 becomes, that'll become 4, 3. So the reverse is 4, 3. Okay, so now that we got the head 2 is 4. Sorry. So the head 2 is 4. I'm sorry, right here. Yep. Head 2 is 4 and head 1 not equal to null. Sorry. And then we are going one step further. Yeah, just the same example. 1, 4. And then 4, 2. Okay. And then the next time the head 2 is 3 now and 3 not equal to null. So again, in that case, my head 1 is at, I think, yeah, it is at 2, correct? Yep, head 1 is at 2. So I'm doing 2.next is equal to head 2. So 2.next equal to head 2 is 3 right now. And then my next of head 1 is 3. And I'm putting my head 1 as 3. And I'm trying to put head 2.next as 3. Head 2 is currently is null actually. And then 3.next is 3. That's what I'm trying to do. Sorry. So yeah, okay. And then head 2 is equal to next. Head 2 equal to next. All right. So in that case, head 2 is null, right? Now we come out of the loop and we realize the head 1 is not null because head 1 was at 2 and we were moving it to 3. Okay. So we're saying 3.next equal to null. Is that right? Let me see. If head 1 is not null, so at this point what happens is you were at 1 and the next is 2, right? So head 1 is also, so 4 goes in here, then you have 2, and then again you are at 3. Head 1 is at 3, and we get insert. Basically, we insert 3 here, and the next time this will be empty. So now the head one will be 3 and 3 is not equal to null. In that case, I want to, what does it say? Cannot find symbol list node.